Hello. In this series of videos we're going to build a snowman in Cinema 4D, and this is a project that's made specifically for people who never used Cinema 4D before, so it's for beginners. And you're going to learn the interface, how to interact with the cameras and the different views in Cinema 4D. You'll learn to use the basic tools that you'll be using a whole bunch as you work more in Cinema 4D. And then it's an introduction to simple modeling and texturing. So I think you'll have fun doing this. So anyway, you go to Cinema 4D, and first things first, look up in the upper right and make sure that layout is set to startup so we're all on the same page. Secondly, in the viewport, you should be in the perspective view and click on View, Frame Default. The first thing we have to do for any Cinema 4D project, even a simple one like this, is to make a project folder. So I have created a folder called Snowman on my desktop for this demo, and right now there's nothing in it. So let's come back to our C4D workspace here. Never work on an untitled document. File, Save As, and don't just jump ahead because there's a naming convention that I want to talk about here. Save As. I'm going to navigate to my Snowman thing, my folder, and I will call it, not surprisingly, Snowman. I'm going to put my initials in here. If you're my students, I want you to name it Snowman, your name, then there's more, 001. Okay, so there's a reason why I put this 001 here, and you'll see as we go along through this demo that you can save things incrementally, and I'll get to it later. And in other words, you can update, not revisions of your work, but you can keep different iterations of your work. And having the numerals 001 at the end of your file name is a good practice. So anyway, that's the file name, Snowman, your name, 001. Make sure it's in a project folder in a known location. Click Save, and then we'll get started in the next video.